National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a tornado warning for West Central Wayne County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 4:30 p.m. At 3:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Forest City, or near Carbondale, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Pleasant Mount around 4 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.